Hi, this is Little Turtle Parts Pro, delivered 2020 Holden Equinox, stock number 7265. It's ran from the 9th 2017 to the 12th 2020. Here's an EQ 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, backed by a 9-speed automatic transmission. This is the 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, left front 19-inch factory mega tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory mega tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 19-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, stereo mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-speed leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,